Today, let's learn about the first task of inspecting and repairing the onboard charging system. Operate the vehicle charging system. First is the first part task description. When delivering a new car, we need to explain the function, the charging method, and operation specifications. The main components of the charging system include charging piles, charging harness, charging socket, onboard charger, low voltage battery, and various high voltage wiring harness, low voltage wiring harness, and so on. Look at this picture. There is a charging pile on the left, and on the right is a new energy vehicle. At the front and rear of the new energy vehicle, there are charging sockets respectively, which can charge the vehicle. The front charging port is an AC charging socket, and the rear one is a DC charging socket. Let's continue to look at this new energy vehicle. Under the front compartment of the vehicle, we can find an onboard charger. It can convert the AC power from the AC charging socket into the DC power required by the power battery. Of course, the onboard charger has various functions. It can also convert the DC power of the power battery into an alternating current power output. In this way, our new energy vehicle can be turned into a power source to power external electrical devices. In new energy vehicles, there are usually the following charging, which are AC charging mode, DC charging mode, low voltage charging mode, including low voltage battery intelligent charging mode, and automatic energy recovery mode. The first one is the AC charging mode. We can see the schematic diagram. The right side of the schematic is the AC charging socket, which is usually connected to 220 volts AC. The AC high voltage enters the onboard charger through cable. The onboard charger converts the AC high voltage into direct current high voltage. The DC high voltage then flows into the battery pack. This is the entire process of a C charging. The second one is the DC charging mode. In the DC charging mode, the charging device is a DC charging pile, which can directly provide direct current to charge the power battery without going through the onboard charger. It is usually used for fast charging. The next charging mode to be introduced is the low voltage charging mode. Simply put, low voltage charging mode means the mode that the power battery to charge the 12-volt low voltage battery. After high voltage power on, the power battery through the PDU in the vehicle charger outputs its high voltage DC power to the DC-DC unit in the motor controller, which transform the high voltage direct current of the power battery into 12-volt low voltage direct current to charge the 12 volts low voltage battery. We can see in the schematic diagram, the power starts from the power battery, passing through the PDU unit of the onboard charger and DC-DC unit, and finally reaches the 12-volt battery. Finally, we introduce the automatic energy recovery mode. During vehicle sliding or braking, the driving motor can be used as a generator to charge the power battery, converting the vehicle's kinetic energy into electrical energy and stored in the power battery. We can see the schematic diagram. When we accelerate, energy is transferred from the power battery, from left to right, is transferred to the driving motor. When we brake, the braking energy recovery mode is activated. Energy is transferred from the motor to the battery to charge the battery. After introducing the working principle of the charging system, let's take a look at the charging socket. On new energy vehicles, there are DC and AC charging sockets. The DC charging socket adopts a 9-hole design. As shown in the figure, its significant feature is have 2 particularly large terminals. These 2 terminals, which are connected to the positive and negative poles. The AC charging socket adopts a 7-hole design. As shown in the figure, what's the difference? To answer this question, I will introduce several charging types to you. Take Gleam Grand EV 450 new energy vehicle as an example. This car has 5 charging types to choose from, which are emergency charging, slow charging, and fast charging. Slow charging at the charging station, and fast charging at the charging station. As shown in the table lists the charging power and charging time. The fast charging of this car uses DC charging. In this course, we have introduced the following knowledge points. Firstly, the components of the charging system. 2 different charging modes, including DC charging mode, AC charging mode, low voltage charging mode, and automatic energy recovery mode. Finally, we also introduced the knowledge of operating charging equipment. The specific operation will be explained in the practical class. This class is over. Please complete the homework after class. Thank you for listening.